Are you looking for a high-performance, durable, professionally designed business laptop that is ready to serve your work anytime, anywhere? Let's explore the Dell Latitude 3550, a great choice for office workers, businessmen, or anyone who needs a powerful and stable machine. Dell Latitude 3550 business laptop possesses outstanding power with the 13th generation Intel Core i5-1335U processor, including 10 extremely powerful cores, smoothly handling all tasks from office, accounting, to light design. In particular, the performance of this chip surpasses the i7-1255U, giving you a faster, smoother experience in the same price segment. Not stopping there, the device is equipped with 32GB DDR5 RAM, the latest RAM standard, high-speed, helping multitasking without lag. You can open dozens of Chrome tabs, work with Excel, run accounting software or Zoom meetings while the machine remains cool and stable. The 1TB PCI SSD hard drive not only provides extremely fast access speed, but is also large enough to store all documents, images, videos, software without worrying about running out of space. Boot up the machine in just a few seconds. Large 15.6-inch Full HD screen, sharp display, true colors, wide viewing angle, very suitable for working all day without eye strain. Connectivity is also a strong point: super fast Wi-Fi 6E, stable Bluetooth 5.3, and especially the modern USB 4 Type-C port, ready to connect to all peripherals such as 4K screens, docking stations, fast charging, extremely convenient for office workers. The machine runs genuine Windows 11 Pro optimized for business, high security, many features to support work and secure data management. In short, with Dell Latitude 3550, you have a classy business laptop, high performance, good security, flexible work support, reliable and modern. Suitable for all needs from working in the office, at home, to carrying on business trips. If you need a laptop buy once, use for a long time, then Dell Latitude 3550 is a worthy investment. Please buy here, thank you.